Number system, what is that? If we need to understand that what is the number system, first question is that what is the number system? So it is a technique to represent any number. That means number system is actually the technique to represent any number. So we understand which type of number we are discussing, that how to understand that technique, that we understand at first number system types. So it's a two types. Number system having two types. First is that positional number system. Positional number system. Second one is that non-positional number system. Second one is that non-positional number system. Now we understand what is positional number system and what is non-positional number system. Here, number system is the technique to represent any number. Positional number system, where that each number is represented with the position, with the place. Each number, or you can say each value, placed with position. Each value placed with position in a number. Each value placed with position in a number, that type of technique, when we understand, that is known as positional number system. And here non-positional, each value, you can say, or symbol, here we are using actually symbol, with an order only. That means there is one order that to do that, but there is no technique, there is no position, there is no place. So that's why without position, without place, only that order we are writing in that way. So we understand in these two categories. First of all, we understand positional number system, the technique of the number system which positions each value at a place with some rules, that is positional number system. It is having four categories. First one, decimal number system. Second one, binary number system. Third one, octal number system. Fourth one, hexadecimal number system. Okay, now we will explain this one, decimal number system, binary, octal, hexa, in detail. So first of all, we understand number system having two categories: position number system, positional number system, and non-positional number system. Positional number system, that means each value is placed with a position in a number, that there are some rules. That's here decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, hexadecimal number system. Non-positional number system, as I that think that here that categories, that this is an example actually, that first is that one that we understand. First, I want to say that telemark, and the second one is that Roman numeral system. So we understand non-positional number system in a very brief, that what is in a very easy way, that what is telemark, what is Roman number system, and we are knowing about the position decimal number system, and we are knowing also that computer works in binary number system. So we understand these two at first. After that we will explain this one and this one, conversion and all the details about this. So telemark, at first we understand this one. So what is telemark? So you understand here that about the tally mark. Actually, tally mark is what that you say that you have used, you have not used, but you have understood that when you have seen in historical movies or in historical videos that on a stone that we are writing like this one, we are writing like that one line, two like that two line, three like that three line, four like that four lines, and five that is after four lines that it is cut like this. In this way we are writing like 6, we are writing this one 5, after that 1. 7 we are writing like that 5 and 2 7. 8 like this one 5 and 3 lines. Like the same 9 we are writing like this 9 5 and this one 4. Like this 10 we are writing this one. This is tally marking, okay, and we discuss about that Roman. Now Roman numeral system. Roman we are writing 1 2 like the same, but here that 5 we are writing as a V, no? So 1 that is 1, 2 that is 2, 3 that is 3, but here 4 we are writing like this 4, 5 like this, 6 like this, 7 like this, 8 like this, and 9 like this, and 10 like this. So we are writing in Roman number system that if we write like that, suppose this is, what is this? This is 14. And suppose we are writing like this, what is this? So this is known as 16. But in Roman number system, when we will place the order, that when I will change the order like this, so this is not any value, this is wrong. So that means in a Roman number system there is no technique, only the order in which way we have to follow. So but Roman number system we can say here according to the position that it is also that known as positional number system. But I want to contradict that here, that there is no rules of the placing the numbers and we cannot perform any arithmetical operation with this. So you understand this one. So this is that overall Roman number system. Now we discuss about that positional number system, and positional number system, first one decimal number system. So we understand decimal number system. So in a decimal number system, what is actually that need that we understand? Decimal number system. In decimal number system that you understand, digits or symbols uses hello. So we understand here that digit or symbols that uses or used are used here, that are used. Which one used? That we using that 0 to 9. That means all. That means here you can understand 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So like this, it is this 20. So that's why it's a base or radix. Base or radix is equal to 10. So why 10? If somebody will ask that why decimal number system having the base 10, so because it is using 10 digits or symbols to represent any number. That's why its base is 10. So example, so if you understand that one, so we represent this like this. Represent such as that 25. If we write and it is octal or it is a hexadecimal or binary, that we identify with this. Okay, so that means we are representing here the number, and inside this here we write base. In such a way we represent decimal number system. So this is decimal number system. So this is an example of that one. So what is that example? So we write that example like that: 6, 8, 7, 8, 2, 5, 30, 270, like this, 32,704. इस तरीके का कोई भी number, that any number, that any digit or symbol combination with 0 or 9, any one, that any larger number or any smaller number, it will be like that decimal number system. Okay, now we go for that binary number system. Here we discuss about that binary number system. So binary, as the name suggests, binary means 2. So digit or symbols are used here, 0 and 1 only. What is that? 0 and 1. So 0 and 1. Okay, so these are 2 only, so that's why base or radix will be here 2, and that means any number will be represented with a binary number. In a binary number system, any number will be represented with a 0 and 1. That means represent such as like this, and here will be base 2. So like this, suppose I write like this, and this is one binary number. We represent like the same one number with base, and example will be here. That means any combination 1 0 1 0 1, like this we can write. So if we are giving here example, we can directly write here 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 in any combination. That means any number, but combination of 0 and 1 only. So these all numbers are binary numbers. So combination of 0 and 1. So that will be in binary. Okay. Now we go for that next one, that is octal number system. So we go for that next, octal number system. Octal, octet, that means 8. Digit or symbols are used here, that 0 to 7. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So base or radix here, that how many digits are used? So 8. That's why base or radix of the octal will be here 8. Okay, any confusion? So represent such as that here will be that one number combination of 0 to 7. That means if we write here 6 2 7, okay, but here base will be 7 or 8, because base is 8. Now that examples here we write that example means any combination 0 to 7. So like that 2 0 1, okay, 2 7 8 4 7, okay, 6 7 2, okay, but when these all are correct in octal, but when we write 2 0 8 1 0 2 8, this is wrong. 7 2 4 8 9, or if 8 not here 1 9, this is also wrong. Why this is wrong and why this is wrong? Because here 8 and 9 written also. That means octal number will be combination of only 0 to 7. Any combination but 0 to 7 only. And here is 8, here is 9. That's why this is invalid octal number. This is not octal number. Those all numbers having that 0 to 7 only combination, that is octal number. Okay. Now we understand after that hexadecimal number system. So hexadecimal number system, that we understand hexadecimal number system. In hexadecimal number system, the digits and symbols are used 0 to 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No, 10 not. Now we write again here for spacing, that 0 to 9, that means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And at the place of 10, we write capital A. That character is used, that symbol is used, A. Capital B, capital C, capital D, capital E, and capital F. So 0 to 15. Look there, 9 at the place of A, that 10 will be a 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 0 to 15. That means we are not writing the 10, we are writing A in hexadecimal. So hexadecimal will have that. How many digits and symbols are used here? Total 0 to 15. That means total 16. So its base or index will be 16. Okay. So it will be represented as a here combination of any number or digit, any number or symbols that are 0 to F. So we will write here that as a base 16 like that. A 2 4. Okay. This one is. We can write also that 5 6 in base 16. Okay. This is also any combination that we can write A B C between this one 0. Like this we can write also B0 C 4. Like this also we can write. This is also one type of hexadecimal number. So base representation also the same number we are writing, and after that in the base we are writing below the baseline. So now here that one example again we write. So few examples, and what is that invalid in this, we understand this. So 25 also we can write base in 16. That means here when we are talking about the hexadecimal, that will be combination of this all. So this is correct. But when we write B, A, C, D, this is also correct. A, E, 0, 4, F, 7, whatever, this is correct. But somebody will write suppose H, A, 4. This is wrong. Because this symbol is not used in this. So that's why. The combination of 0 to 9 and A to F. So these all valid combinations that is in hexadecimal number system.